how many grams of dextrose are there in 1,000 mils of dextrose? 0.5%. Right? Now, the thing about here is that 1 mil weighs 1 gram. Right? So we can convert straight from mils to grams at the end. So let's get 1% first. Right? So to get 1%, let's get 1%. Let's get 1% first by dividing 1,000 mils by 100. Right? So 1,000 divided by 100. Cancel up and below by 10. Cancel again by 10. And we're left with 10. Right? So 1% equals 10 mils. Now, we don't want 1%, we want 0.5%. 0.5 is the same as a half. So to go from 1 to 0.5, what do? We divide by 2. 1 divided by 2 is a half, so that gives us 0.5%. And we can divide this by 2 as well. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. We get 5 mils. Now the answer is how much. The question is how many grams. Well, see, 5 mils is equivalent to 5 grams. So we have 5 grams in 0.5% solution. Yeah, so 5 grams is 0.5%, 1,000 mils solution. So 0.5% of the whole thing is dextrose or sugar, I think that is. So that's 5 grams is your answer.